The tools you use for your clients' manicure and pedicure treatments can attract harmful germs such as viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Prevention HLD8 is a high-level disinfectant solution designed specifically for your reusable tools. It ensures you are meeting the highest standards and effectively protecting your clients. Before cleaning your tools, pour Prevention HLD8 into your soaking tray. Prevention HLD8 is ready to use and does not require dilution, saving you time and eliminating potential dilution errors. Next, it's important to pre-clean your tools with a detergent, warm water, and a clean brush. This removes any soils that may be present. Make sure to pre-clean your tools below the water level to avoid spreading debris from dirty tools. After cleaning, rinse your tools with fresh water. Dry them well with a clean cloth or a disposable towel. Removing all water from the tools before you submerge them avoids diluting the HLD8 disinfectant solution over time and keeps it working longer. To disinfect, carefully insert your pre-cleaned and dried tools into your soaking tray. Soak each batch of tools in the solution for a contact time of 8 minutes. Do not use it as a holding solution. Leaving your tools submerged for longer periods may cause wear and tear on your tools and may contaminate your solution. Once the 8-minute contact time has been reached, remove your tools, rinse with clean water, and dry with a clean cloth. Finally, place them in a clean container labeled disinfected to avoid any cross-contamination between dirty and clean tools. Unlike EPA-registered low or intermediate level disinfectants that require a daily dump, Prevention HLD8 is an FDA-registered high-level disinfectant that can be reused for up to 21 days in a soaking tray. Remember to replace your solution if it's over 21 days old, visibly soiled, or if Prevention HLD8 solution test strips indicate that it needs to be changed. Now your tools are disinfected and ready for your next appointment.